Hi! We're back here in Flushings. I'm in Flushings. Too many people. Sheshe.
Video na kanina pa.
Mali yung binigay natin.
Ano ba yan?
Ewan ko. Tama! So, libre lang to.
Libre yung isa.
Oh my gosh! Look at this.
On the house nga, hindi ka naikinig.
No, I thought kasi Peking duck yung libre.
Ano ba yan?
I don't know. Shumai. I see it.
Yan na siya, yan na po siya, yan na siya.
We also ordered yum cholo, pork with noodles. Masarap yung pork, mahal. It's a sad day today here in Flushing because our favorite noodle shop is already closed. Hi, I miss those times.